So here's the thing. Our old vacuum cleaner decided to give up on us a few days earlier, and now we're getting frustrated with all this dust and debris piling up. After searching here and there for a reliable vacuum cleaner, we finally decided to give the Untitled Cordless Vacuum Cleaner a try, and truth be told, we are pretty impressed with it so far. In this video, we'll be sharing our personal experience with the cleaner to help you decide whether it's worth giving a shot. The package it came in was fairly big. We weren't expecting it to be that large, but it made sense considering all the parts that were included. Upon opening the box, we immediately noticed that there were separate compartments for all the parts, which we really appreciate. It made it easy to see what was included and also made it easy to take everything out. Each part is wrapped in a white cover, which made them look really sleek and clean. It almost felt like we were opening some fancy gadget or something. The parts included the base, the stand, 2 vacuum mounts, the charging brick, installation hardware, as well as a user manual with precise guidelines about how to put the entire thing together. So let's just put them all together, shall we? The first thing that we did was screw in the charging stand with the base. Next, we placed the additional accessories such as the dusters and vacuum in the dedicated spot on the stand. It's great to have a spot for everything, as we won't have to search for the pieces we need. For the main unit, we have added the main tube first, followed by the battery and the primary vacuum. And finally, we placed the main unit on the stand and it was ready to go. We were really impressed by how easy the installation process was, since it took only a few minutes to have everything set up and ready to use. One thing that caught our attention right off the bat was the lights on the front of the vacuum when we first powered it up. It's a small touch, but it adds a nice little practicality to the whole thing. When it comes to charging, the base is really stable and holds the entire vacuum in place, which is great. The only thing we wish it had was a bit more space for the extra filter. Once we hit the power button, an LED display pops up and gave us all sorts of helpful information about the vacuum's performance. Plus, there's a flip switch to cycle through various power modes while cleaning, which is super handy. One of our favorite things about this vacuum is how the motor is located right in the middle of the main unit and has a transparent back to show how much dust and debris has been vacuumed up. It's kinda satisfying to see all the dirt we've collected, and it's really easy to take off too. All we needed to do was press the red button, and that allowed us to use it with other attachments like the hose. As for the cleaning experience, the fade-free powerful suction is no joke. With its 400-watt brushless motor, this thing can handle cleaning up messes on hard floors, carpets, and even pet hair without breaking a sweat. We were especially impressed with how easily it could get into hard-to-reach areas. One thing that really stood out to us was how the debris stays tangle-free, making cleaning even easier. And with a runtime of up to 70 minutes and a quick charge time of less than 4 hours, it's perfect for those quick cleanups around the house. We also love the built-in display on top, which shows plenty of indications about blockage and suction power. It's super helpful in making sure we're getting the most out of the vacuum. Overall, we're really happy with the Untitled Cordless Vacuum Cleaner since it's got some great features that make cleaning a lot easier and more enjoyable. If you're in the market for a new vacuum, we definitely recommend giving this one a look. So this was the Untitled S3 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner review. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.